Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a cool water drop effect in After Effects. First, let's create a new composition. Go to Composition, New Composition, and let's call it Water Drops Effect. Now let's add a text layer. Click on Layer, New, Text, and type whatever text you want. Adjust the font and size to your liking. Once you've got your text how you want it, use the Align panel to center it in the composition. Next, right-click on your text layer and choose Pre-Compose. Name it Water. This just groups everything together to keep things tidy. We need a background, so let's copy and paste the Water layer and rename the bottom one Background. Open up the background composition, then go to Layer, New, Solid, and pick a color for your background. Head back to your main Water Drops Effect composition. In the Effects and Presets panel, search for CC Mercury and drag it onto your water layer. To make it look right, we need to change a few settings. Change animation to fire. Set blob birth size to 3.7. Increase the X and Y radius to cover the whole composition. Set the birth rate to 0.2. Increase the resistance to 0.4. Set blob depth size to 0.5. Here are my settings. Let's add some distortion to make it look more realistic. Search for Turbulent Displace in the Effects and Presets panel and drag it onto your water pre-comp layer. Increase the amount to around 90, but feel free to adjust it to your taste. Now we'll add an adjustment layer. Go to Layer, New, Adjustment Layer. Search for Exposure in the Effects and Presets panel. Drag it onto the adjustment layer and set the exposure to 1. Finally, let's add some edge deformation. Go to your background layer, search for CC Glass, and drag it onto the layer. Set the bump map to Water. Change the property to Effects and Masks, and set displacement to 500. And there you have it. Your water drop effect is all done. You can find the raw file linked in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.